Hey, let me show you how you can volume up or volume down with your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. And we've got two methods. The first one, you can actually use one of the earbud and then slide down on this side. But we have to actually input inside our ears. So I'm gonna cover the sensor. And now as you can see, I can volume up and volume down. And now if I'm gonna input this earbud inside my ear, I can say volume up, volume up, volume up, or volume down, volume down. And to let it work, you will have to open the Galaxy wearable application. On the earbud controls, you have to turn on the media controls. Here you can find it. And for the voice, you've got earbud settings, voice controls, and it's just right here. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.